You know the old cliche, I don't do windows? Well, the reason people say that is because no one likes to clean glass. And the reason they don't like to clean glass is because usually they're using the wrong product. When I clean glass, I want to get the best bang for my buck. Diamondite Glass Cleaner Repellent not only cleans the glass, but it leaves a layer behind that repels water and dirt. Most glass cleaners only do one thing. They clean the glass. Diamondite Glass Cleaner Repellent is dual action. It cleans the glass and leaves behind a hydrophobic layer of protection. This makes it perfect for cleaning glass, mirrors, chrome, stainless steel, all types of surfaces around the house and in the automotive world. The powerful cleaners remove fingerprints, smudges, pollen, dirt, and even tough to clean things like smoker's film and vinyl fog on the inside of your car. Using Diamondite Glass Cleaner Repellent is super simple. Simply spray onto the glass, use a clean glass towel to spread the product around, then flip to a dry side and wipe everything away to leave crystal clear, streak-free results with a hydrophobic layer of protection. To get your bottle of Diamondite Glass Cleaner Repellent, go to Autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube.